What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Here is some bad news for the Galaxy S24 series users, S25 FE and Z Fold 6 users. Samsung is planning to release the One UI 8.5 beta in the next few days. And this is a bad news because we were expecting the stable version of One UI 8.5 to hit these phones very soon, probably by next month. But these One UI 8.5 beta firmwares found on Samsung servers indicates that we may be getting a beta version of the One UI 8.5 before we get the stable versions for all these phones. So if we are not getting the stable and if we are getting the beta version to test it, the stable release might get delayed again. And this beta will be tested in a handful of countries like India, UK, Germany, US and a couple of more countries. And if you are residing outside these countries, you won't even get to enjoy or get to see the beta version of One UI 8.5. The beta testing started happening around 2.5 months ago on the Galaxy S25 series and we are yet to get the stable version. Already 7 betas have been released and the 8th beta is also expected on the S25 series, and only after that we will get the stable version, which is expected in the month of April. Now if we get the beta version on the S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6 series and S25 FE, then the testing may go on for at least 30 to 45 days and we can expect less number of beta versions, maybe around 3 to 4 betas on these phones, and then we can expect the stable version. So if we get the beta by end of this month, the stable version we can expect in the month of May. So this means you will have to wait for at least another 45 days plus to get the stable version on the S24 series, Z Fold 6 series, etc. And that is the reason this is a bad news. I really wish Samsung had released the One UI 8.5 stable version directly on these devices. If not in the month of April, at least in the first or second week of May, it would have been really great. Now this is indefinite. We do not know when exactly we will be getting the stable version, and take all these information with a pinch of salt. These things can change in the coming days. Now I'm waiting for the stable version to arrive next month on the S25 series. As soon as I get it, I will keep you guys posted, and as soon as we get the beta version on the Galaxy S24 series, I will keep you guys posted. So stay tuned, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you find this video informative, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.